Let us now look at the concept map of the Himalayas. Now let us study about the relief division, the Himalayas, in detail. The Himalaya mountains are the highest mountain in the world. The name Himalaya means abode of the snow. It is a mountain range in Asia which separates the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The Himalayas are spread across India, China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Pakistan. The Himalayan ranges run in the west-east direction in the form of an arc with 2,400 kilometers of distance. The width of these ranges varies from 500 kilometers in the western regions to 200 kilometers in central and eastern regions. Following are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas: Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, Shivaliks. Now it's time to know about each range in detail. Let us begin our learning with Himadri range. Click each tab to know more. Himadri. The northernmost range is called as Greater Himalayas or Himadri. It consists of highest peaks with an average elevation of 6,100 meters above sea level. It is composed of snow and ice cover. Glaciers can also be found here. The water from these Himalayas is the source to the perennial rivers. Let us now learn about the Himachal ranges. Himachal. The part of range which is found south of the Himadri is called as Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. The height of these mountains ranges from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. These ranges mostly contain compressed rocks and hence have the rugged relief. The lesser Himalaya ranges include the famous valley of Kashmir and the Kangra and Kulu in Himachal Pradesh. The region, which is quite famous for hill stations like Simla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, etc. The Birpanjal and Mahabharata ranges are the most important ranges of this region. Let us now learn about the Shivalik ranges. Shivaliks. Shivaliks are the southernmost ranges of the Himalayas. Their width ranges from 10 kilometers to 50 kilometers, whereas the altitude varies between 900 meters and 1,100 meters. Different names are given to these ranges in different regions. In Jammu, Jammu Hills; in Arunachal Pradesh, Mishmi Hills; in Assam, Sachar.
The valleys lying between the Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik ranges are called as duns. Examples: Dehra Dun, Kotli Dun, and Patli Dun.
Let us now learn about the Purvanchal ranges. Purvanchal. The Purvanchal Hills lie in the northeasternmost part of India and are the eastern extension of Himalayas. They cover the states of Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland. Regionally, the Purvanchal Hills are called as Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Kasi and Mizo Hills. The Purvanchal Hills are composed of sedimentary sandstones.
Various views of Himalayas are shown on screen.
After learning about the different ranges of the Himalayas, let us learn about the influence of these mountains on the climate. The Himalayas influence the climatic conditions of India in many ways. Some of these influences are: during severe winter, they protect the plains of India from the cold winds of Central Asia. They are the reason for summer rains and monsoon-type climate in regions that are behind the Western Ghats. The Himalayan rivers contain a lot of silt and make the plains very fertile. Let us do an activity of mapping the ranges of India.